Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we get a tow hitch receiver. We do get some nice silver and black trim along this vehicle, a backup camera, and some nice clean looking trim as well. Like I said before, keyless entry pad. And moving to the front real quick, we got a silver hood deflector, block heater, recovery hooks, aftermarket LED light bar, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, cloth floor mats, carpeted interior, your 6 additional seat, 2 USBs, 12 volt with cup holders. You of course do get a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, as well as right there, powered mirrors, windows, locks, you got your lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 151,466 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with your volume, playback, play forward, mute, or not mute modes, mute, voice, phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can then go through your main menu, which has trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driving assist, settings, and all that fun. You got cup holders and a nice little phone slot with more storage here. Your 6 additional seat with storage below. You got some storage here with USBs, 12 volt, little storage here with rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive. We of course do get your climate controls just right here as well, 12 volt storage below, and on the dash with traction, hazards, auto stop, auto start, your audio, compass, phone. For your audio you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone control, so you can see has been previously connected. Any apps you may have downloaded, as well as your settings, such as your Bluetooth, SiriusXM, Ford Pass, Apple CarPlay, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF63486, and you can head on a PG Ford or give us a call.